you like your bath? She's big feet. Soft fur, too. Big head. Yeah, she's big. She's a good dog. Very good dog. But she does not like baths. She's a good dog, but you just don't like baths.
Likey